You cannot defeat an Igbo man for business. You see business, oh. You see business, you can never beat an Igbo man for business. And not Igbo. You understand? So one of the tribe when it gets strong economic value for Nigeria as of today, na Igbo man. Employment na water. From east to southwest to north central, Igbo hold am strong. You cannot defeat them. But instead, you have to learn from them. This trade will happen to B-Lord and VDM, so it's an eye-opener to everybody to learn. As they talk, so, from information reaching me, if you know how many phones of that ROS modified iPhone when B-Lord don't sell, then they even ship them again, no. Now fly, they fly them, enter Nigeria. They buy them. As they land the office, they buy. Go Lagos, so people they buy. Go east, to people they buy the phone like that. Is not be small money bill or don't make. Two people they fight. One they make money, while one they struggle to crash the market down. That is a bad intention. You understand? So now again, make I bust on a bubble again. At the time, VDN comes say, oh, he want to crash the entire NGO within Nigeria. Say because they don't stand, you know, the purpose why they are being created. And VDM created his own NGO, whereby Mr. Don Jazzy donated a huge sum of 100 million to that NGO. As of today, we don't even hear anything about the NGO. Not the only thing we hear, they do one borrow of 2 million, one borrow of 1 million, and they give 1 million people. No, that is not the basis of creating an NGO. That NGO, now to, according to her, now to put for inside school, to help develop the school. No press briefing from very dark man regards to over 200 million in his possession. Instead, he jets to China, try to crash market. Do you know how many jobs these Igbo boys that are going to China to buy all these things? Do you know how many loans they collect from the bank? Do you know how many jobs they have created? They are one of the reasons why we still have Nigeria today. Aside the crude oil, Igbo people, for you to have a robust economy, money need to exchange hands. And that's exactly what an average Igbo man does in Nigeria. We must know these facts and keep to these facts. So as of today, no press briefing, nobody even know what is going on with the NGO funds. I am one of the strong supporters of VDM. Not because I had to find money for view. As I did so, God has blessed me already. I get 2 children. I get my business for Nigeria. I get my business for here. I'm doing very well for myself. Trust me. Those who follow my page initially know I did dash 200, 300,000. They do different things. Now I stop them. So not everybody go see go they insult. They look like say I need to envy anybody. I'm not getting ready to jealous anybody. If I put the funds that they make for America here to this, so compared to what some content creator they make for Nigeria, they learn for where I did, but we need it loud. You understand? So, but we just they do things because we are well organized people. Some of us are well organized people. So till date, we not even hear about the NGO. Now let's go about the nude issue. All these nude issues, those issues where you get in the past. Dignity. You see, dignity, so nothing reach dignity for this life. Let's assume say that fluke, na mistake of the past. Now you carry again, you do fresh noodles. Say, even do one video now, say I will be what's his name? B-Lord should get his account. He wants to send more noodles. That is dignity. If this thing where you did this noodles where you did flour up now, so if you dey pretend say no affect you, it affect other, it affects me where the supporter make me and they make a 360 ton supporting VDM. If it doesn't affect VDM, it affects me, it affects a lot of people. Imagine VDM mama na teacher for school. Imagine say VDM mama with a colleague get problem for school now. He say your pikin when you bull out there everywhere, you know go correct your pikin. Dignity. You cannot do that to yourself. You came under the pretense of fighting for justice, which I gave you the credit. As of today, I still give you that credit for those things what you do in the past. But as soon as you start to deviate, not paying attention to the NGO, if the America you did today so with this NGO, when you do this fresh noodles just now so, that NGO so, they don't cancel them, confiscate all the money, can I go donate to charity? Government go carry that money, go give, she go the bank, collect the money, go give to charity. So now when they follow, I know some people that not follow, more than not be rats here. So, like me, I have made my own decision. I cannot support blindly. I cannot be in a place where my opinion cannot count. When I talk at the system of that for my comment section, they insult me. Now, no problem with that. Me as a worry boy, would they use insult to the bath? And then they do us anything. So not all of us are here for the more Facebook money. Now just something that we find ourselves doing. But we must call a spade a spade. You cannot just be going around. How many, if you want, before you count 20 billionaires in Nigeria today, I can tell you for free that you must call at least 10 Igbo billionaires that have created so much job. Someone like Danko, who will not even know that time. When his mama doing mama burial, I will tell you know about Danko. Say, now I get one kind of phone. You know how many jobs? So you, VDM, you get platform. Instead of you to fight, we have innocent cars there when they sell motor. Exactly the same motor where you say you won't go to buy for people. So instead of you to fight with the platform we will give you to fight government to make sure say we they celebrate 24/7 uninterrupted power supply. So that way companies can come and be producing this thing in our own country. You go there, they crash people when they borrow money for bank, then they do business, employ worker. It don't make sense. It doesn't make no sense. So now what they follow, so like I see one of the comments, somebody say, watch the video to the end, you know, digest it before you comment. That's a reasonable comment to make on VDM posts. Watch the video, don't act on emotion, because emotion will never take you anywhere. Emotion will not put food in your belly. You get my point? I'm not saying make you not love who you want to love. I'm not saying make you not follow who you want to follow. You understand? So, but be reasonable. How many jobs VDM don't create? Fine. I give him his flower when he started fighting for injustice. I give him his flower. No question about it. But today, do I still give that flower to him? The answer is no. No. It don't know. I took my... That one I gave to him was still with him. Am I going to sit down here and dish any flower to VDM? The answer is no. If you like, you unfollow me. If you like, you go report my page. I don't give a damn. I'm not living under Facebook. I hold my side strong, offline. Now me get down. I'll be your guy for offline. No, I told my for this year. Ask people they come in cases that I'll tell you why before this time. We need to show ourselves. But one day we'll see them. You get my point? So you must rest, dignity is so important in our life. You cannot be flying on noodles and at the same time be running an NGO and at the same time be talking how to crash business that have created so much job. Billard not be small picking. I don't know him. I've never seen him in my life. I don't have his number. But Billard has done a lot. You know what it means to create job? If Billard carry a low say they go to America today, Donald Trump will give him a visa with all his family. I don't want to stress this enough. All these followers, them, they could not use their brain. Make poverty not go finish now. I'm telling you people for free. You must use your brain. You don't know where you're going to end up tomorrow. Not because of food in the back of pot. To wait food in the for inside pot. Be guided.